In my opinion, one of the best things about living when we do is the advancements in technology, but specifically with making money. Luckily for us, there are so many different possibilities for us to be making money online as of today. How great would it be to simply make money with just an app on our phones? Well, the good news is that is completely possible. Today, we're going to be talking about 10 different apps that are going to be paying you guys real money. So let's dive into the realm of money-making apps that are not only changing the game, but giving your wallet that much-needed upgrade that you desire. Now, the first app that we are going to be talking about is an app called Make Money, and this is specifically why you guys are watching this video, so I thought it was a really good one to choose, of course. If you go into the App Store, you can find an app literally called Make Money Earn Easy Cash. You simply just have to sign up with them and make an account, and once you are in, this is where the fun happens. You are given various tasks to choose from that you get to personally choose. These tasks include a variety of things such as giving feedback on different stuff, taking different surveys, etc. Now, believe it or not, there are actually some fun ways to make money on this app as well, and this includes playing different games and demoing them. After you complete these different tasks, you simply earn points. Before you pick a task, of course, the app will show you how much a task is worth, so how many points you will get for completing a task, which can be helpful before you commit to a task, knowing how many points exactly you will get. For example, you guys can be earning up to around $50 a week, which can add up to $200 a month. This is great if you guys just don't necessarily have a lot of time but want to make some quick and easy cash here and there on the side. And all while maybe finding some fun games and also being entertained and making money. The second app we are going to be talking about is an app called Honeygain. Now, Honeygain is an app that revolves around a passive income. Once you sign up for Honeygain, you agree to let them track your phone engagement. So you essentially agree to let them see which apps you run most and which apps you use daily and different data like that. And Honeygain says that the internet traffic that they track from you is only given to sources that are trusted and trustworthy. Honeygain just essentially wants to see what a daily user is doing on their phone in a day, and they want to collect this data and then sell this data. And the reason that companies will buy this data is because they want to make their apps better and different ads better as well. One of the advantages of Honeygain is its passive nature. In return for sharing their bandwidth, users will earn credits that can be converted into real money as well as different Honeygain services. Of course, I would say that Honeygain is just up for a personal preference, as some of you may not be comfortable with letting them track different data on your phone. However, many other social media apps already do this, such as Instagram. If you are liking a lot of posts that have to do with dogs, let's say, then you might be getting a lot of ads for different dog products. So I figured, why not be getting paid while just scrolling on your phone? Sometimes it's crazy when you talk about something in real life and then you start getting ads for it on your phone just minutes later. Honeygain is a passive income in the sense that you are not having to essentially even work to be getting money. Like, you are just scrolling on your phone and doing what you would normally do in a day, while also getting paid. So why wouldn't that be great? You are just essentially doing what you would normally do in a day, just scrolling on your phone, but instead you're getting paid for it. Third app I'm going to be talking about is Google Opinion Rewards. Now, this is an app that simply is what it sounds like, as you give your opinions. After downloading the Google Opinion Rewards app, you are prompted to take different short surveys. And these surveys can be based on different things such as demographic, interests, and different information. These surveys typically consist of a few questions that will be easy to answer while also being quick to answer. The primary purpose of this app is to gather user information, whether this be consumer preferences or feedback on different topics and apps and games, and just so much more. Users can even receive notifications when new surveys become available to them, so you might be just sitting being like, hey, I can't find any surveys to take, and boom, a little notification on my phone. Hey, this looks like a survey I want to take, and you can just take it quick here and there. And you can choose to participate with these surveys at your convenience, which is really helpful. When I was researching Google Opinion Rewards, I saw that they do their payments through PayPal, and to my knowledge, it is just a good app to make some money here and there. All right, now let's get into the next app. So let's paint a picture for this next app that we're going to get into. I want you guys to imagine a stock trading platform that is as user-friendly as any social media app. Well, that is exactly what the app Webull is. We can make the analogy of Webull being sort of like a hip cousin to the stock market. And Webull always wears the best clothes and knows how to throw a really good party, so let's join. Even in the world of finance, it can totally be possible to have a little bit of fun and maybe make a good profit while you're at it as well. On Webull, you can simply invest in the stock market, but the app is in a simple format. It also provides real-time market data so you can constantly stay updated on your investments. They also have a built-in community feature where you can communicate with other users and share different insights and tips and etc. It is the stock market but built in a community feature where it's kind of a social media app, if you will, and it is in a easy to navigate format for those of you who aren't necessarily familiar with stocks. All right, now let's get on to our fifth app that we're going to be talking about, which is an app called Ludup. Ludup is free to sign up for, which we always love to see, don't we? But let's talk about what exactly it is. Ludup is again an app where you are completing different assignments and tasks. You earn points simply by taking different surveys, giving opinions, maybe even playing some games here and there, and etc. You can even earn some points by making some different purchases and reviewing items. So there are a ton of possibilities to make some money on Ludup. As you can see, there are so many choices for you guys to choose from. Once you complete these different assignments, which there are a variety of things that I just listed, you can then redeem your points that you earn from completing these assignments. But you might be wondering, what exactly do these points get me? Well, you can redeem these points for actual cash through PayPal. And you can also choose from a bunch of different gift cards as well. Ludup is great for the variety of ways to earn money that you can choose from, as well as the variety of rewards to choose from. All right, now we're moving on to our next app, which is an app called TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is an app where people pay you to take care of tasks within their lives. These different tasks could include things such as electrical help, or moving furniture for people, lifting heavy objects, and there are so many different tasks that you can choose from as well, beside from the ones that I just listed. There are just generally so many different things that you can help different people with, and things that people need help with constantly. Or maybe these people just don't have the time to complete these tasks, or maybe they would even rather just hire somebody to do these tasks for them if they don't necessarily enjoy doing them. Well, the nice thing about working online is the variety of different things that you get to choose from, and you aren't being told to do different things. And with TaskRabbit, you wouldn't have to just stick with one task. You can choose from different tasks every day. So one day you could help somebody move their furniture, or the next day you could help somebody mow their lawn. So saying this, your daily work schedule wouldn't get too boring, as there would be a variety of different things that you would be doing. How much you earn in an hour, of course, depends on what type of job you are picking up. You just pick up different tasks as you please, and you can even be earning up to $80 an hour, you guys. I also read that other than getting paid hourly, you will also receive tips as well. With being a waitress in my past, I know that making tips can be a huge bonus and can make a very big difference in your daily life. The good news with completing tasks on TaskRabbit is the number of jobs that you can find. And I especially say this if you live in a highly populated area, or maybe even a city. With doing some research about TaskRabbit, I found that you guys can be making a lot of money with it. And I'm talking about people taking it up as their full-time gig. All right, now let's get into our seventh app, which is an app called Mobi. I know I'm not talking about Tim and Mobi, the robot. If anybody even knows that reference, I don't know if anybody would have gotten that. If you're a regular customer at any type of business, this app is perfect for you guys. On Mobi, you can choose from all of these different places that you visit regularly, and then answer different questions about these businesses in exchange for some cash. And Mobi is as simple as that. Who knew that going to your favorite restaurants and stores could also be a source of money for you? Well, with Mobi, this is completely possible. And I also like how they call their different tasks that you can complete, little missions. It almost feels like you're a spy here, and you're gathering just secret little information to relay to the people of the world. And the catch here in your spy mission is to just act like a normal shopper, which is easy. The places you shop at to earn points can be anything from restaurants to retail stores and to online stores as well. So there is a variety of different stores that you can go to. Mobi also partners with bigger corporations as well, such as places, I'll just say, for example, Domino's or Amazon and etc. So you might as well answer a few questions for your visit and earn some money here. Now we're getting into our 8th app, which is an app called Misplay. Playing games probably sounds like a crazy and fun way to make money, but this is very possible and can be your reality with the app called Misplay. You can simply scroll through different gaming apps that they offer to you and choose different games to simply play. And then you will receive points for the games that you are playing. And then with these points, you can redeem them into different prizes. It's almost like going to a Dave & Buster's and playing some games, and then you get your little tickets and you take them to the counter and you go, I would like to redeem these tickets for my prize. I don't know where this is going. But the prizes on Misplay include a variety of different gift cards and even Visa cards as well, which is nice because you can spend these Visa cards anywhere you please. Misplay displays on their website as of today that I'm filming this that they have given out over $60 million to people who have been playing these games. Now imagine you're really getting into the game that you are playing on your phone, and then all of a sudden you get a notification from Misplay saying that you've earned some points all while having fun playing your game. It is an app, but it is also your golden ticket to a land where playing games makes you money while also being a source of entertainment for you. All right, you guys, we're getting into our 9th app, which is an app called Drop. Now, Drop is an app that is perfect for getting your cash back. Now, imagine you're going shopping and you see a shirt that you really like. Well, when you have the app Drop, the shirt is much more than just that. When you buy things, you simply earn points, and that's what we've kind of learned in the previous apps that we've talked about in this video. It's kind of a common theme, but we've learned that points will simply get us different rewards to choose from. So when you buy that shirt that you really like, you can actually be making some money back as well, which is super sweet. The good news is that there are a lot of major brands on Drop as well, so you would be getting the rewards that you would actually want. And these can include things such as gift cards to places like Amazon or Sephora to my fellow makeup lovers, or even getting gift cards to Uber or to Dunkin'. I don't know about you guys, but I know a free donut would definitely make my day. Of course, you have to spend some cash to get some cash, but however, getting just some cash is better than none in my book. And I know that getting a free meal here and there would never be a negative thing to me, and I'm sure you guys would also feel the same way. And now we've made it to our 10th app, which is an app called Fope. Now this is an app where you can take different pictures and videos, and you can sell these pictures and videos to companies, and they can use these photos and videos for sort of stock footage. The kind of photos that can be sold include so many things, such as pictures of the sunset or pictures of a landscape, or maybe your pet can be a model for Fope. This is great if you love photography, but you don't even have to be a professional photographer to pursue doing this. And if you don't have a fancy camera to take pictures with, do not worry, you guys. You can easily use just your phone to take pictures as well. Once you post your photos to your creator profile, then different brands are able to pick up and buy these photos from you. And then they can also sell these photos to different stock footage websites as well. And who knows, you might already have some photos in your camera roll that can be ready to be listed on Fope. You could even just get outside and maybe take a walk around your town and take some pictures here and there of anything that might have some potential to be sold. It's like having a side hustle just in your pocket, where just pictures of your cats could be your ticket to fame and fortune, or maybe just even a cup of coffee. Now, if you guys are interested in some more ways to make money online, click on this video next to me. It will teach you in depth how to exactly make money with a faceless YouTube channel. It will cover the best niches to start within this channel and what type of content to make within these specific niches. It will also teach you how to monetize your channel to the fullest and make as much money as possible with a YouTube channel. Thank you, and I will see you guys there.